Hey, to create astrological profile on the snapshot, first of all you have to click on the map in the left bottom corner, then click on the right upper corner and tap on the Capricorn, and from here you've got short description of this profile feature. Then you will have to click continue. From here you have to input your birth information, so the time of the birth, place of the birth, and also the birthday that is actually linked into your profile settings. If you want to change it, you will have to go into the settings and update your date of birth. So let's say that I was, for example, in the, I don't know, maybe Washington. There we go. Click complete. And now it is diving into our astrological profile. And there we go. Here we can read more, or click on the right bottom corner and can share it into your stories, send it to friends. So we got the Capricorn, qualities, sun, and as you can see, that's all. So we can compare your profile with other friends. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.